Dear students of CPS class 9th, today I am going to teach you passive voice. Okay. First of all, you have to know that all the sentences are in active voice. We have to change it into passive voice. There are 12 tenses and the active voice is also in 12 tenses. But the passive voice you have to change only 8 tenses. The name of the tenses which you do not change into passive voice is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. Now I am going to teach you how will you change present indefinite tense into passive voice. The rules are the following. The first rule is you have to change object into subject. Object into subject. That is the first rule. Then the second rule is you have to use helping verb. Use helping verb is, am, are. That is the helping verb. And the third rule is you have to use the third form of the main verb and by. The third form of the main verb and by. Third form of main verb and by. The fourth rule is the subject is changed into object. The subject is changed into object. Subject is changed into object. For example, Sita writes a letter. Writes a letter. This sentence is in active voice. And you have to know that in this sentence, Sita is the subject of the sentence, writes is the main verb, and a letter is the object of the sentence. You have to follow the rules step by step. If you will follow the rules step by step, there will be no mistake and your passive voice will be accurate. First of all, the first rule is object is changed into subject. Then our object in this sentence, then our object is a letter. Then I make a letter as a subject. Second rule is you have to use helping verb is, am, are. Now a letter is a singular number subject, so you will use is there as a helping verb. The third rule is you have to use main verb, third form of the main verb and by. The main verb of this sentence is write and its third form is written. Written by. Written by, and the fourth rule is subject is changed into object. You have to write by Sita here. And your passive voice is a letter is written by Sita. You have to know that there are some pronouns which is changed into object. As example, I is changed into me. Be is changed into us. You is changed into you. He is changed into him. She is changed into her. They is changed into them. And it is changed into it. And if there are any noun in the sentence, noun will not be changed. As example, in the sentence, Sita writes a letter. Sita is a noun, so it will not be changed. The second example, if The sentence is in negative sentence. If the sentence is negative, you will have to use not after helping verb. Means you have to use not after is, am, are. For example, Sita does not write a letter. Sita does not write a letter. Now this sentence is in active voice and you have to change this sentence into passive voice. The first rule is a letter. You have to write a letter as a subject and then the helping verb. Helping verb is. After then you have to use not. You have to use not. And then the third form of the main verb written and by and Sita. That the passive voice of this sentence will be a letter is not written by Sita. The students, you have to know that if your sentence is in interrogative sentence, then you have to use helping verb first of all. For example, you may say that do you sing a song? The passive voice of this sentence will be is a song sung by you. Dear students, you have to know that you have to use same word, same thing as in passive voice. Like as you may say that there is do. Do is a helping verb and you have to write is in place of do, means helping verb. You is the subject in this active voice sentence and you have to use a song as a subject. Sing is the main verb of the sentence and you have to use sung because already you know that you have to use third form of the main verb. There will be sung and you have to use one word by yourself by and then the object. Object is you. You is changed into you. As I told you that you is changed into you. If your sentence begins with question word, then you have to use question word before the helping verb. Like as you may say that, why does he not eat mango? Then you have to write first of all why. After then there is a helping verb does and you have to use helping verb is and object is changed into subject. Then you have to write mango here. After then you have to use not. Then the third form of the main verb eat, eaten by and he is changed into him and the question mark. That is the passive voice of the present indefinite tense. And after that you will have to do your exercise from your 9th book or 10th book. If you have books, then you will do all the exercise of your from your books of present indefinite tense. In spite of it, I am going to give you some homework and the homework will be you have to write that first sentence, do you play the ball? Second sentence is, does he not open the door? Third sentence is, I help them. Fourth sentence is, why do you waste your time? Fifth sentence is, I do not teach him. Sixth sentence, she does not write a poem. 7. Why does your mother not cook food? Sentence 8. What do you eat? Sentence number 9 is why do they not play the ball? And sentence number 10 is does your father read newspaper? After completing your homework, you will send it on this number. Thanks.